You can't beat the great location Westridge is, almost in the center of town, where you can get anywhere quickly with Bryan Boulevard and 73 right around the corner. Mid-century home is no doubt a blank slate for you to remodel to your heart's content. 2-car detached carport with storage is a big plus. Replacement windows have been installed in the past. Kitchen is open to the den, plus you have formal living and dining room areas. Sunny Florida room on back of the home will be a favorite spot. Hardwoods through most of the home and under some of the carpet we checked. 2 fireplaces, and the den fireplace is on a corner, which is mid-century flair. There is a finished upstairs, but not sure of how low ceiling is. Architectural roof and all brick home are just some of the attributes. Great bones. Home needs updating and will be sold as is.